have a look at those bomb bay doors now, compare them to the B-17. As the Lancaster goes by with bomb doors open. Of course, the Lancaster was modified throughout the war to be able to carry the most incredible bomb load. And really there was no competition between it and the B-17. But needless to say, they fought in a different arena. The Lancaster was primarily a night bomber. The B-17 was primarily a day bomber and required far greater armament than the Lancaster had. Those of you who were aviation enthusiasts would know that Alex Henshaw, who only recently died, famous test pilot, used to do barrel rolls in Lancasters on test occasionally. The Lancaster designed by Roy Chadwick, Avro's chief designer. Avro based at Woodford near Manchester. As our boys put the wheels down, setting the flap to do a low flyby, slow flyby. Look at that beautiful sight over Lancing College Chapel.